guards. Sizzlack, bring that beat in, come on, underlay. Inglewood and Brockton cooking, got more on the way. Copy my steeds, you my seeds, and it's Father's Day. But y'all ain't shit like solid waste. Tolerate enough, the next one's bombs away. Body cake, plus that 45 like Donald J. Even wanna leave your fucking brains on display. Gon' find them dead in the water, piranha bait. Y'all don't wanna play, you fools on punishment. We on that full fatigue, army boot, rugged shit. Who you running with, they loyal or loyal to bread? Heard you was in my scope and you soiled the bed. All in your head like this shrapnel. IED blast, metal shards don't act. Act like you don't know how black do attack you. Meat hook flesh and drag you.
Listen to me, this game takes grace and intellect, that's a fact. Haste takes many steps. Think about I graduated to the Wraith, but I was hopping out the safe. I used to make niggas genuflect. It's the fourth quarter, I'm about to intercept. I put the plastic with the metal, make them intersect. Pair of preacher's pants and a sinner's vest. Once you see the vast circumstance, then you see the West. Whoa, whoa. Yeah. You fucking with the best. All gold watch, bro, no baguettes. Naked. Brand new home with the all chrome jet. I pitched a square block and brought a oblong vet. Look, no. I'll hit you with this Ruger or the 4. Leave you moving like you're doing parkour. Writhing in pain with blood oozing on the floor. I keep my face masked like a damn luchador. Backpack.